Chocolate mousse in minutes. With its timeless elegance, chocolate mousse is always in fashion. 6 ingredients, 3 method steps. 300 grams Cadbury Baking Dark Chocolate, roughly chopped. 3 eggs, at room temperature. A quarter cup 55g caster sugar. 1 tsp good quality cocoa powder, sifted. 300 milliliters thickened cream, plus extra whipped cream to serve. Grated chocolate to serve. Select all ingredients. Add to shopping list. Step 1. Place the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of gently simmering water. Don't let the bowl touch the water. Stir until melted. Remove bowl from heat and set aside to cool slightly. Step 2. Place eggs and sugar in a large bowl and beat with electric beaters for 5 minutes, or until mixture is pale, thick, and doubled in volume. Fold in cocoa powder and cooled chocolate until combined. Step 3. In a separate bowl, whip cream until thick and be careful not to overbeat. Use a large metal spoon to carefully fold the cream into the chocolate mixture, trying to keep the mixture as light as possible. Spoon into 6 serving glasses and chill in fridge for at least 1 hour. Remove from fridge 15 minutes before serving, then top with extra whipped cream and grated chocolate to serve.